Hello, this is Winnie Rogers DIY. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, it's great to have you here. Kindly subscribe below. It's absolutely free. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. So today I want to show you how to stick balloons on the ceiling board or on the wall. And that's my curling ribbon. That part is optional. Okay, this is my sparkle paint. It's a spray paint. I'm going to change the color of this. I want to put some polka dots so that at least it can add some beauty to my balloon. The next thing I'll do is to take these glue dots. These are glue dots and this is a Cellotape. And first I'll show you how to use glue dots. These are the perfect glue for balloons. They're the perfect glue for balloons. You can't find any other that is better than this. The other options are not that good, but these are this is the perfect way of sticking your balloons on the wall. The next one, I'll use this Cellotape. Cellotape is not easy to use because sometimes the balloons might fall off. That's why it's not a very good idea. But then if you don't have glue dots, you can use these ones. And for any question you can ask me down below, you can comment and I'll answer you. Then the next thing is to just stick them on the ceiling. Yeah, as simple as that. Some people rub them on the hair, but then that one doesn't work so well also. But you can just try it. It depends on your surface also. And you can also use dry hair without oil so that it can work well. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe so that at least you can be notified anytime I upload new videos. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe, share, comment. Bye bye.